Hi everyone, I just wanted to send out our new e-learning syllabus. Just kind of going to go over some of the main points. I am putting a copy of this on the Google Classroom also, just so you always have it. So as we know, things are going to look a little different. For the fourth quarter on the standards and what we're going to be doing, we're going to do a final review over genetics. So if anyone was gone that last week with state basketball and things like that, it's not going to affect your grade at all. We will do a little review, do an activity, and then we're going to move on to DNA and then finish with evolution and the history of life. Tests and assignments will look very different. We will be doing more project-based learning, less of the regular tests that we usually take. Finals are still a little up in the air. It may just be a big, large project at the end of the year. So as far as the next section, class structure, expectations, and grading, I'm going to be very clear about due dates. Today I'm going to post an article that we're going to start out with. It's going to be your job to check Google Classroom every day and check for due dates. I think it should send it to your email when it's posted, but you'll always have at least 2 days to complete the work, and but make sure it's your responsibility that you're checking for assignments. This is just kind of the regular classroom rules now. Students probably should be spending about 30 minutes each day for each course, so kind of plan on that, and that's going to be on you to make sure you're using your time wisely. The third bullet's really important. Make sure that you are not copy and pasting from the internet or taking any answers from your classmates. A lot of our work is going to be open-ended questioning, and I want to make sure it's your work. So just know that that's not going to be tolerated, and any indication of that is going to be a 0, just like usual for the cheating. Like I said, a lot of it's going to ask for you to use your own words, so make sure that you are. If you have any questions, make sure that you ask before it is due. I am going to be online every day from 1:30 to 3. You can email me questions if you need to. And like I said down here below, I will be available for an immediate response then. So if you have a question, I'm giving you 2 days to make sure you ask before it's due. I'll be communicating mostly through Classroom and the use of email. And like I just said, I will be available from 1:30 to 3. I will be online on my email if you have any questions. Now, we will be using Edpuzzle, Google Forms. If we move on to any Zoom video, I will let you know as a class we'll do it. Maybe I'll do a question answer section if we wanted to on Zoom, and we'll just see if we need. Please let me know if you guys have any questions. I do have a book online that I'm going to be making sure that you guys all have when we start out. Other than that, you do not need any of your notebooks or anything like that that you have at school. I'll be giving you all the resources. Now we're going to start out this week we are going to be doing some current events, getting into the DNA and maybe, reviewing the genetics. So just make sure you reach out if you have any questions.